Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm diving into some hot topics in the world of space exploration. There's a lot happening, from budget cuts to ambitious private ventures. Let's break it down. First up, the uncertain future of space exploration. NASA, the cornerstone of American space exploration, is facing significant challenges. Proposed budget cuts from the Trump administration are threatening to derail many promising projects. This has raised serious concerns about the future of scientific advancements and discoveries in space. Enter SpaceX. Elon Musk's company has achieved some incredible milestones, but there's a catch. The involvement of commercial entities in space exploration brings up questions about the balance between scientific progress and profit-driven ventures. With NASA potentially stepping back, there's worry that the pursuit of knowledge could take a backseat to commercial interests. Despite these challenges, it's not all doom and gloom. There are upcoming missions that hold promise, and the hope is that they'll contribute significantly to our understanding of the universe. But finding a balance between private sector innovation and government-funded research is crucial to ensure the continued progress of space exploration. Now, let's talk about NASA's absence from the Global Space Exploration Conference, GLX 2025, in Delhi. This has raised eyebrows and concerns about NASA's future role in the global space community. Budget constraints and organizational restructuring under the Trump administration are being blamed for this absence. Meanwhile, countries like India are charging ahead with ambitious plans. Prime Minister Narendra Modi outlined India's goals for lunar, Martian, and even Venusian missions, along with the development of a space station by 2035. India's growing presence in space exploration highlights a shifting landscape, with emerging spacefaring nations taking on more prominent roles. This brings up an important point. The future of space exploration is likely to be shaped by international collaborations and partnerships. As more nations step up, the dynamics of the global space community are changing, and it's crucial for NASA to maintain its role in this evolving landscape. Lastly, let's discuss the Soviet spacecraft Cosmos 482. This defunct spacecraft, which has been orbiting Earth for over 5 decades, is predicted to re-enter our atmosphere soon. The uncontrolled descent has raised concerns about potential debris and the hazards of space junk. Cosmos 482's re-entry is a stark reminder of the challenges posed by space debris. It underscores the need for international cooperation in tracking and managing space debris to ensure the safety of future missions. As space activities increase, so does the amount of debris, making it crucial to develop strategies for debris mitigation and responsible space exploration practices. So, there you have it. The landscape of space exploration is evolving, with budget cuts, commercial ventures, and international collaborations all playing pivotal roles. Stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching.